In this video, I will show you how to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. Before we begin, make sure you have both Claude Desktop and Roblox Studio installed on your computer and that you're signed in to both. First, open Roblox Studio and either create a new experience or open an existing project. Once your project is open, click the AI Assistant icon in the top right corner. Next, click the three-dot menu, then select Manage MCP Servers. From here, you'll see an option labeled Setup Instructions. Click the drop-down menu and then select Copy JSON Configuration File. The configuration will now be copied to your clipboard. After that, open Claude Code. Go to the top left corner, click the three horizontal lines, then select File and go to Settings. In Settings, open the Developer section and select Edit Config. A configuration file will be highlighted. Right-click the file and choose Open with Notepad. Once the file opens, press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Ctrl+V to paste the JSON configuration we copied earlier from Roblox Studio. Now, go to File and click Save. Once it's saved, close Notepad. Next, completely close Claude Code. Then, go to the system tray, right-click Claude Code and select Quit. After that, make sure Claude Desktop is enabled, then open Claude Code again. In Claude Code, type Connect to Roblox Studio and send the message. When prompted, click Always Allow. After a few seconds, Claude will confirm that it's connected to your current Roblox Studio project. And that's how you can connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio.